It's been a while since I have uploaded for YouTube a full video, so I think it's been a couple of weeks, and during the week I do upload some shorts, and if you follow me on Instagram you will see some before and after pictures of some cars that I detail. So guys, today I have a Honda that is here for a full ceramic coating. This Honda Pilot belongs to a mom and she wants to maintain the vehicle, and the vehicle is here for a full ceramic coating, paint correction. So guys, towards the end of the video I will give you a couple of tips that I encountered during this detail, and I learned a couple of things, so I would like to share that with you. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and hopefully those tips do help you in your detailing or as a DIY or any car enthusiast. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start detailing. One detailing tip that I give you: if you have a car that comes with a lot of plastic trims on the outside, and sometimes these plastic trims really get dirty, and no matter how much you wash with the mitt, they don't clean up. What I do is I take Green Star and I take my wheel brush and I gently scrub it. This removes all the dirt that is sticking to the plastic, and it deep cleans the plastic. And then after the detail, you can either put dressing on it or you can ceramic coat it as well. This is the 2021 Honda, and the headlights were already fading. That is very surprising, but anyhow, I did restore the headlights, and here are the steps that I take to restore the headlights. Now, if you want to watch a full detailed video where I explain how to properly do a headlight restoration, check out the video link above, and that will explain how to properly do headlight restoration. As you guys can watch in the video, I'm mentioning all the tools and the products that I'm using, and if you are interested in any of these tools and products, they are all listed in the description down below. And just like you see over here, my pad was almost tearing apart, so I did change all my pads to Lake Country polishing pads, and this is one of the good brands, and these pads do not disappoint. So here's a tip regarding the plastics that are on the vehicle. So this vehicle is a little bit older vehicle. Plastics have faded pretty well. So I thought I would ceramic coat them and they can come back. But guys, this does not work because after a few months, the customer did tell me that fading is back. So what I've learned is if you have faded plastics, what you can do is make sure to get some kind of plastic restorant, and that's the best you can do. Now, ceramic coating plastics on a brand new car is a total different story because that is a brand new vehicle, and when you apply ceramic coating to those plastics, they will be protected for a long time. After every ceramic coating, do a sun check. That is, I pull the car outside and I do a sun check. And guys, this is tip number 2, and make sure to pay attention. If you are ceramic coating and you leave a high spot, that excess coating that you did not wipe off, now that becomes a high spot. So within 24 hours, what you can do is take a little bit of Adams graphene coating, apply over that high spot and wipe it off. And guys, the high spot comes right off. This is why I really enjoy working with Adams graphene coating, because it is a very forgiving coating. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and comment. This tells YouTube that you really enjoyed my video and it pushes my video out to many people. So guys, thanks for watching. Just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.